This 2025 Toyota Corolla is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Toyota is powered by front-wheel drive, manual transmission, gas-electric i4 1.L 110 engine, and has 10,113 miles. Drive home a reliable 2025 Toyota Corolla today. Efficient, stylish, and budget-friendly. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.